Okay guys, gonna do a race and check out the Kraton top speed. We are at 0 miles an hour. See what we can get.
So?
Yeah, that's the 6.
Ooh, we got a little competition.
Oh, doggies.
Look at that one coming hard. I get out the way. That was good stuff.
No, that's a Speedo probably.
44, that's fast.
Yeah, that was good. That was fun.
You won, but that one had to slow down.
That one's fast. Alright, so we got 44. The caller. You want to run it? You're running.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no! Don't. Right, you call it.
3, 2, 1, go! Now, the monster got a good start.
Come on, don't flip over.
Oh, yes! The monster
Whoa, dog. Whoa, what a race. Good race. Dang, dude. That was great.
Another one? One more?
Yeah, that was too close. We got to do another.
3, 2, 1, go! That giant truck always gets a good start. The blue's gonna win. Oh! This one.
Let's go again.
Okay, let's do it.
Go! Turn around. If you flip near or near, I'll go.
Come on.
Don't flip over.
Oh, you got me.
Yes.
You got me.
If you hit that ramp when
Nice.
you're going,
Want to do the same if we're close?
Go
We'll
around.
just keep going a second lap.
Let's do it.
Your call, unless you want. Who wants to call? You want to call it this time?
you could call.
You call it.
3, 2, 1, go!
All right.
Oh, the monster gets such a good start.
I think I lost something off of it.
Oh, you did?
That's okay.
Oh!
Run again, run again.
Yep.